Hi there! Just 1 minute with Bari English Academy and you'll be done with the uses of gota. Gota एक contraction form या कह सकते हैं shortened form है got to की, जो कि normally use होता है have got to या has got to के साथ में. Have got to I V U they के साथ and has got to he, she, it या किसी singular person के साथ में. इसका use होता है जब आपको लगता है कुछ करना important है, कुछ जरूरी है आपके लिए करना, या present में या future में आप बोलते हैं I have got to write an examination. I have got to take medicine. You have got to come to my home tomorrow. और इसको आप और शॉर्ट फॉर्म बोल सकते हैं you got to come. और इसको और शॉर्ट फॉर्म में you got to come. You got to learn. You got to learn. You got to practice. You got to practice. You got to listen to me. Hey, you got to listen to me. And that's how you say it. नेगेटिव फॉर्म इसकी होती है I haven't और hasn't got to के साथ यूज होती है. आप कभी यूज नहीं कर सकते not got to करके. आपको बोलना होगा I haven't or has not got to. Thank you so much for helping us grow.